This is a Bosch reciprocating saw, and the magic smoke is leaving it. I've seen it a couple of times so far. Let's see if it happens again. I wanted to capture this on video because I don't think there's actually a recording of the magic smoke leaving. Oops. Okay, so it's a true fact that these devices work better when you plug them in. There's no amount of denying that. Alright, let's try it again. Can you see that? It's the magic smoke. It's departing the building. It's not a happy camper. I think that's it. That's all the little bits of smoke that are in there today.